That, the video's gone. Okay, but I just saw this, what is it called? A seahorse. That looks so cool. You know, fish are unique, but like, not all. But that, not in a battle. I'm not saying it's like not all fish look good. It's just not all fish look the same, and some fish look way better than the other fish. Okay, seeing fish up close isn't really a good idea because it's scaring people. Like fish look scary. Oh my goodness, what is that on the bottom? That does not look like a shark. That doesn't even look like a fish. A type of fish, of course. But like, oh, that's creepy. Look at the nose, it's so long. Ooh, wait, is that whale like, swimming sideways? That looks like it. Oh, now I can start to notice that it doesn't look like it's sideways. That looks like an orca, aka killerfish. Wait, not killerfish. Oh my gosh, I mean killer whale. Looking at the ocean is so cool. It's just beautiful. See, I don't like when there's too many oceans in one video, because you really need to add some animals, because less animals is worse, but less oceans is better. Oh my goodness, that's so creepy. Never seen such a thing look like that. It's really creepy. I am wondering how people actually breathe underwater. Like, how are you breathing underwater? Like, those long things that come out of your goggles that go to your mouth. Like, I don't know how you breathe though. Okay, that whale, I don't know, that doesn't look like a whale, but I guess it is. Okay, now I've already seen a lot of oceans. We need more animals instead of more oceans. Just saying, if you like oceans more than animals, then that's just what you think. I'm not gonna judge. Okay, now we're going to the green stuff. Okay, now, the one before, I do not know what that was. But the fact that the bugs still can stay on it, like, they have good grip. Bunch of stuff. It's like furry stuff on the foot part, like the leg. That's probably how it grips. Okay, I've never seen. Is that a mosquito, dragonfly, whatever? Like, I don't know. But, like, I never knew mosquito or dragonflies could have different colors. Okay, I just saw that one already. So. And yeah, I don't know what that one is too. I don't like furs. They're just not my thing. Oh my goodness, what's happening to that tadpole? Yeah, like, is that a mosquito, dragonfly? Because I've never seen one that color. I did not know ladybugs could be green, but okay. What is that? I think that's a praying mantis. It's kind of confusing one. How they eat so fast, like, you need some time to swallow. Like, bro's eating it like a whole. What's that? That that doesn't look like a bug.